Hello and welcome to Health and Science Channel. Today we would like to discuss the body's immune system and the importance of boosting your body's immunity, especially in the winter months. If you're often sick, feel fatigued, or have other nagging symptoms you can't figure out, you may have a weakened immune system. Let's remember, after COVID, many people unknowingly developed weaker immune systems, and this has caused people to get sick frequently and feel tired or develop chronic fatigue. It has reached a point where people cannot recover quickly from a minor cold or other minor illnesses. This all sum up the signs of a weakened immune system. Did you know that, in long COVID, patients reported experiencing symptoms of the disease, including fatigue, for several months after infection, even when they no longer test positive for SARS-CoV-2. Many researchers located profound alterations in many immune cell types that often persisted for weeks, or even months after SARS-CoV-2 infection. In light of all this information, we have decided to make a video to help people overcome ongoing winter illnesses and build a more robust immune system. So, first, we will shed light on how to boost your immune system using home remedies. Then we will give you tips on lifestyle and dietary changes to strengthen your immune system. Before we go into details, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscription button so you can get up-to-date videos on the health-related issue. So, now let's have a look at what constitutes your immune system and how does it work. The immune system is a complex network of organs, cells and proteins that defends the body against infectious agents such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The immune system starts its vital functions from the moment you are born. Humans have three types of immunity: innate, adaptive, and passive. 1. Innate immunity is the one that everyone is born with. It's also called natural immunity. This is the type which gives you a general protection against different pathogens. For example, the skin is a barrier preventing germs from entering the body. And the immune system recognizes when specific invaders are foreign and could be dangerous. 2. Adaptive immunity. Adaptive, or also known as active immunity, develops throughout our lives. We develop adaptive immunity when we're exposed to diseases or when we're immunized against infectious diseases. Our body creates immunological cell memory after an initial response to a specific pathogen. This type of immunity is the one which lasts for a long time. 3. Passive immunity. A passive immunity is borrowed from another source and lasts for a short time. For example, antibodies in a mother's breast milk give a baby temporary immunity to diseases the mother has been exposed to. What are the signs you have a weakened immune system? The signs and symptoms of a weakened immune system may include: 1. You experience digestive problems all the time. For example, constipation, diarrhea, and bloating. 2. You get sick frequently and take longer than usual to recover. 3. You feel tired all the time. 4. You always have a cold. 5. Joint aches. 6. Delayed wound healing. What the remedies and lifestyle changes can you take to boost and strengthen your immune system? 1. Hot water and lemon every morning. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which promotes immunity, battles infection, heals wounds, and more. Also, drinking lemon water not only boosts your immunity, it also jump-starts your digestive system and prevents constipation. Lemon is packed with vitamin C and fiber. When free radicals build up over time, they can cause oxidative stress and negatively impact your immune system. One of the benefits of drinking lemon water is that the vitamin C in it neutralizes free radicals and boosts immunity. It also gives you immunity support by stimulating white blood cell activity. In short, drinking warm water infused with lemon juice benefits your defense mechanism. 2. Take turmeric regularly. Turmeric is known for its scientifically proven health benefits, particularly its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's the best ingredient for boosting overall immunity and is also known to improve heart health as well as fighting to prevent Alzheimer's, depression, and arthritis. 3. Detox your body regularly. Detox diets are said to eliminate toxins, which supports improving good health and the immune system. Detoxification is extremely important because it will help you eliminate excess waste and toxins, strengthen your immune system, and generally make you feel better. You should detox your body at least every 3 months. Excess toxins can cause physical and mental health issues like chronic fatigue and insomnia. So, a good detox program will prevent you from these diseases. Examples of detox remedies is apple, beetroot, and carrot juice. You can mix green apple, beetroot, and carrots in Nutribullet and take it early morning. Beets are beneficial in any detox remedy. Because beets are an excellent blood cleanser and purifying superfood, they are high in fiber, antioxidants, and betaine, which helps support the liver in ridding your body of toxins. 4. Take a healthy dose of vitamin D3. Vitamin D is essential in maintaining a robust immune system. 5. Use sauna as an alternative therapy for detoxification at least once a month. The skin is our largest detoxification organ. An infrared sauna session can help cleanse the skin by improving circulation and removing toxins like heavy metals and urea through sweat. 6. Exercise regularly. One benefit of exercise is that it decreases inflammation in the body, which in turn can also improve immunity. Second, it increases your blood circulation, and good circulation stimulates a strong immune system. 7. Free yourself from negative thinking. In recent years, researchers have found that your mind can have a powerful effect on your body. Immunity is one area where your thoughts and attitudes can have a significant influence. One study from Pennsylvania State University in State College has found that negative moods may change the way in which the immune response functions, and they are associated with an increased risk of exacerbated inflammation. 8. Prioritize your sleep. Sleep deprivation may decrease the production of these protective cytokines. In addition, infection-fighting antibodies and cells are reduced when you don't get enough sleep. So, your body needs a good sleep to fight infectious diseases. Studies have also shown that people who don't get quality sleep or enough sleep are more likely to get sick after being exposed to a virus, such as a common cold virus. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy and benefit from this video. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel to show me some support and to get more health and nutrition tips. Stay safe and see you next time.